Hello, Prowess Partners. Welcome back to our channel. For those who are new, hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Today, let's talk about the risks and benefits of hosting an Airbnb. As we all know, all businesses are built to reap the benefits, but those benefits don't come without risks. While hosting on Airbnb offers many benefits, it's also important to be aware of the potential risks involved. Understanding these risks will help you manage and mitigate them effectively, ensuring a smoother and more successful hosting experience. Here are some key risks to consider when hosting an Airbnb. Short-term rentals face numerous local laws and regulations. Hosts must stay informed and compliant to avoid legal issues and fines. This includes zoning laws, necessary licenses, and tax obligations. Staying updated ensures smooth operation and compliance. Hosting strangers comes with a risk of property damage. While Airbnb offers a host guarantee, it may not cover all damages. Additional insurance can protect your property against malicious damage, theft, or natural disasters, ensuring you're not financially liable. Frequent guest turnover can create friction with neighbors, especially in residential areas. Noise, parking issues, and unfamiliar faces can lead to complaints and strained relationships. Proactive measures like noise restrictions and clear communication can minimize disruptions. Airbnb income can be unpredictable due to seasonal fluctuations, economic downturns, and changing travel trends. Hosts need to be prepared for lower demand periods by adjusting budgets, setting aside savings, and staying informed about industry trends to make informed decisions. Managing an Airbnb property requires significant time and effort, responding to inquiries, managing bookings, coordinating cleanings, and addressing guest issues can be demanding. For those with full-time jobs or other commitments, managing an Airbnb property may not be feasible. Now that we've discussed the importance of understanding and managing the risks involved in hosting an Airbnb, let's get on the brighter side of this business. Hosting an Airbnb offers a myriad of benefits that make it an attractive option for homeowners looking to leverage their properties for additional income. Whether you have a spare room, an entire house, or a vacation property, Airbnb provides a platform to turn these spaces into profitable ventures. Here are some compelling benefits of becoming an Airbnb host. Hosting on Airbnb offers a great way to generate extra income. Unlike traditional leases, short-term rentals often yield higher revenue. This income can help pay off mortgages, fund vacations, or boost savings, unlocking many financial possibilities. Airbnb hosting gives you the flexibility to decide when to rent out your property. You can block dates for personal use or maintenance without the constraints of a long-term lease. Adjust pricing based on demand to maximize earnings, keeping your property competitive. Hosting on Airbnb can be a rewarding social experience, bringing together people from diverse backgrounds. Interacting with travelers from around the world can lead to enriching conversations and new friendships, broadening your horizons and deepening cultural appreciation. Managing an Airbnb listing offers a unique opportunity to acquire valuable property management skills that are highly transferable to future real estate ventures. The responsibilities associated with managing an Airbnb listing, such as handling bookings, communicating with guests, and performing maintenance tasks, provide a comprehensive foundation for effective property management. These skills are essential for ensuring a positive guest experience and maintaining the property's value. By efficiently managing bookings, hosts learn to coordinate schedules, handle inquiries, and resolve any issues that arise. Effective guest communication fosters positive relationships, builds trust, and contributes to overall guest satisfaction. Moreover, maintaining the property's condition through regular maintenance tasks helps preserve its value and ensures that it remains attractive to potential guests. Overall, the experience gained from managing an Airbnb listing equips individuals with the knowledge and abilities necessary to excel in various aspects of real estate management. Well-maintained, frequently rented properties can increase in value. Positive reviews and high occupancy rates make properties more attractive to buyers. Consistent rental income also provides steady cash flow, making properties more appealing investments. Hosting on Airbnb involves balancing opportunities and challenges. The financial incentives can be substantial, providing a steady income and the chance to connect with diverse people, which is personally fulfilling. However, success comes with hurdles. Hosts must navigate risks like property damage, legal liabilities, and occasional guest disputes. Mitigating these risks requires understanding Airbnb's terms, local laws, and implementing robust safety measures. To thrive, hosts must weigh the potential rewards against the challenges, ensuring they are prepared for the responsibilities of hosting. Striking this balance allows for informed decisions, a welcoming and secure environment for guests, and ultimately, a successful Airbnb business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on Airbnb hosting and real estate. And if you're looking for professional co-hosting services, Partner with Prowess Property to maximize your rental income and minimize your management hassles. Thanks for watching.